Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Figma for Windows 10 or 11. First, you are going to open your browser, any browser that you are using. And then in the search bar you are going to type Figma. Then you will find the first official website and make sure to use the official website. And here, as you can see in the sections, there is the download settings. You just click here and then you will find yourself in this page, Figma download. And when you scroll down, you will find three options. There is the desktop app, there is the mobile app, and there is the font installers. So for us, we are going to choose the first one, desktop app. And here, as you can see, there is different options for different operating systems. You are going to choose the desktop app for Windows. You just click here and the download will start. And actually for the installation, it is very easy. Once this file is completed, you just click here. You need to log into your account, and after that the application will be installed. There is nothing else to do, and you can open it and launch it from your desktop. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.